Hey friends, I'm back with another video of rubber plant. So my rubber plant is dying. Yes, despite everything which needs to be in control, my rubber plant is dying. So as you can see, यहाँ पे कुछ mites लग गए हैं, पत्तों पे कीड़े लग गए हैं. I went on a 10-day trip and my rubber plant is all infected. So as a trial method, what I'll do today, I'll just cut all the leaves which has the mites, which has the pests. So the moment I came back on Monday, I saw the leaves a little droopy. Usually my rubber plant is always firm and it's not droopy as it looks like right now. So, but what I did was, I just took a shot of neem oil and I sprayed all over the leaves, all over the soil. And I saw the soil was a little moist. So the next day what I did, I bottom water it, but the water sat in the tray for like almost 24, not 24, more than 24 hours. So I was worried whether it's a root rot, whether it's but before checking the roots or before doing anything in the roots, I want to give a try. Let's remove the infected leaves and then we spray the fungicide we just prepared. So I'm gonna take the infected leaves and I'm gonna cut it. Look at that, the pest attack. I really feel like crying because this plant was a dear one to me and I have to remove all the leaves. You can see really bad. So I just give a quick check. The leaves which doesn't have pest, I won't remove them. So because otherwise I'll lose whole of my plant. So the ones which have a little pest means I'll wait whether it can recover. I'm really totally not sure whether I should remove everything, but let me give a check. Because I think the fungicide might help, but I'm removing the ones which has so the whole plant. This is already is drooping. Let me see. This looks okay. This is already yellowing, so I'll chop it off. This looks fine. Came off on its own. This is okay. This is still okay. This one's okay. So this. So I'm gonna check all the leaves and give it a thorough doctor plant label kind of check, and I think this is also gonna be the best. It's really heartbreaking for me to see my rubber deal like that. I didn't really see this coming. Yeah, so I have thoroughly checked almost all my this one. And one more thing, when any of your plants are pest infected, make sure you separate them away from other plants because that might attack your remaining plants. So what I have done is I have kept my rubber plant outside on the stairs outside my apartment so that it doesn't infect the other plants. So what I'll do is I'll add some neem powder for organic fungicide in the soil and I'll spray the. Make sure you throw these leaves in a poly bag, otherwise the pest might increase. So it looks like there is some white residue on the rubber plant leaves. So I am unsure whether it's a fungus or the white buildup of the water or soil, water, tap water. So I'm just gonna do simple thing. I'm just gonna take a wet one and I'm just gonna dip in the neem oil solution I just prepared. Okay, dip it. I'm gonna just kill all the leaves of my rubber plant with this. And when that dries up, I'll spray fungicide all over these. So first I'm gonna do this thing with a cleaner leaf because the same cloth might infect, the same paper might infect the healthy leaves. So, I'm not sure whether this will work, but I'm just going to give it a try this time. It will definitely clean off some dust over the leaves, but I'm not sure whether it will also clean the fungus I'm expecting right now. So let's see, this is a trial method for now. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but let's see. Let's save our rubber plant, guys. It's just so hard not to see it like that. please let me know in the comment section, has anyone of you faced this before, or any other measures have you taken, or am I doing the right thing? Do you have any other ideas for me? I'll be happy to use them. Most welcome. Cleaned all the remaining leaves with the new one. So what I'm gonna do now is I just take my forking instrument and I'm just gonna fork the soil a bit. So to loosen up the, because जब मैंने 2-3 दिन पहले पानी दिया, so water was sitting for like 2 days in the tray. So I am not sure whether it's a root rot. अगर root rot होता तो पूरा plant droopy हो जाता. So that's not the case here. I can see some roots coming up. So it's not a root rot. I can just loosen up some soil. और एक चीज़, आपका प्लांट जब पेस्ट या फंगस से डील कर रहा हो, मेक श्योर यू डोंट पुट एनी फर्टिलाइजर, बिकॉज फर्टिलाइजर और वर्मी कंपोस्ट, just stop that for some time, because it might happen that the plant is in stress and you give more stress to produce more leaves, so फिर leaves छोटे आएंगे, plant leggy हो जाएगा, फिर plant अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. So just stop that. So what we are gonna do now is थोड़ा सा इसको loosen up कर देते हैं. Soil पूरा ड्राई हो चुका है. Just when I touch it, it's fully dry. है ना. मैं क्या करूँगी, इसमें थोड़ा सा नीम ऑयल पाउडर मिला दूँगी. You can feel it's a little moist. I'm thinking whether to bottom water it again today. So I will need some help to inspect the roots. Somebody picks it up. Just take my husband's help. Just pick the roots inside the new oil and new powder I'm using to grout. So it's not ocean post again. So I'm just spray some neem powder into the soil. So if there are, soil doesn't look infected because the soil is quite fluid. थोड़ा पाउडर सॉइल तो हार्ड नहीं लगता. वर्मी कंपोस्ट मैंने 10 दिन पहले दिया था, सो दैट आई एम नॉट यूजिंग एनी वर्मी कंपोस्ट. Just the new powder and I just water it. Okay. And on the top of it, I spray some fungicide only to the leaves which are infected. I'll not apply it to the whole plant because that might just stress the plant. So let's see. This is done. So I'm just gonna take that fungicide, right? जो मैं solution पहले लाया था, soil will cover this पे. I hope it doesn't kill right now. I'm just so damn worried about it. So let's pray and let's just pray I save this plant. Okay, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna water it for a bit and sorry, leaves पे मुझे ऐसा दिख रहा था. So what I have done is I have sprayed the fungicide all over. Organic है तो इतना कुछ नुकसान मेरे हिसाब से नहीं करना चाहिए. I'm just preventing it from the fungus anymore. So I'm just spraying it. Save my plant. Let's see if I can save it. Okay. शॉक लगेगा, क्या लगेगा. Also एक और चीज़, जब आप प्लांट को अंदर से बाहर मूव करेंगे, when I said pests are there, तो उसको थोड़ा आइसोलेट कर दो, तो it might drop some leaves on its own. So that's totally natural, क्योंकि प्लेस चेंज करने पे रबर प्लांट leaves drop करता है automatically. So that's okay. So let's see 24 hours later whether I could save this plant or not. Bye bye, keep planting.